Morning to you all. Today's thought is be the reason for someone's smile today. I repeat my thought. Be the reason for someone's smile today. With this, I conclude my thought here. Thank you.
A beautiful morning to each and everyone present here. Today I am going to say news headlines. International news. Congress leader meet to discuss Vice President candidate. National news. John Abraham writes to CJI calls for review of Supreme Court's directive on stray dogs. Sports news. South Africa keep picking in big wickets. Maxwell next to pick out a fielder. Thank you.
A very cheerful morning to each and everyone present here. Now I am going to say some facts about importance of world organ donation. First, the first and successful organ transplanted in 1952 in United States. Second, kidney is the first organ which is transplanted between two twins in 1952 in United States. Organs are the group of tissues. Fourth, in India, Organ Day is celebrated on 27th November. It took place in 2010. And heart is the first organ which is transplanted in India. With this, I conclude my words here. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to you all. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic World Organ Donation Day. World Organ Donation Day is observed every year on 30th of August. The aim of this day is to motivate normal human beings to donate organs and spread information about the donation of our organs. The Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the Government of India launched Organ Donation Day in the year 2010 in New Delhi. On this day, people are educated that organ donation can be life-changing for many. This practice can give a new life for one who is in need. Organ donation is the process of replacing an organ of a person with consent of the person and family and placing it surgically to the another person. Organ donation also means that saving the organs for the purpose of transplantation of the another person. It is the gift of our lives. A donor can donate his organs after his or her death. After the death of the donor, the organs can be transplanted to another person. The observation of Organ Donation Day is to urge the people of all the communities to donate organs and save the lives that are lost due to the organ failure. Anyone can donate his organ irrespective of caste, creed, gender, etc. to become the tissue or organ donor. But it is noted that the health of the person is more important than the age of the person. The organs which can be donated by ourselves are hearts, livers, pancreas, intestines, cornea, which is the part of our eye, as well as bone marrow, and blood. There are two ways through which we can donate our organs. First, one can place to donate organ if he or she is alive, and the another by consent with family after the death. So, my dear brothers and sisters, let's place to save lives through organ donation. Thank you and have a good day.
A cheerful good morning to all. Now I am going to tell some organs name which we can donate to others. First, eye, function to seeing and detecting light. Second, heart to press blood throughout the body.
Lungs. Function. Lungs take in the oxygen from the air we breathe. Kidneys. Function. Kidneys regulate the balance of the bloods in the body. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Respected principal, all the teachers and my loving students, good morning to you all. So today, what is special day is today? World Organ Donation Day. So each year, 30th of August is celebrated as World Organs Donation Day. So how many of you are ready to donate your organs? Okay, thank you. So, my loving students, in the world, you cannot give anything except life. And this is very, very important to give life to the people who are longing to have, to see, to persevere in their life. And you can give. Maybe someone is having heart failure, someone cannot see, and you become the eye, you become the heart and lungs for others. And this is the greatest gift, and this is the noble act that you are doing, the kindness, compassion and humility. So, not being a doctor only you can give life, but without doctor also you can become hero by donating your organs for the people. So please keep in mind that everything is very important in our life. All the organs in our body is very, very important. Please take care of yourself. Maybe someone is longing to have this. So with this thought, I conclude my speech here. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Blood donation. It's very important. We have different kinds, groups of bloods, A, B, O, positive, negative, combined. Combination of all this. So there is no hesitation. Donate. जीते जी नहीं डोनेट करने पाओगे, कम से कम विल में लिख करके जाना, इसको विल बोलते हैं कि मेरी आंख, मेरा किडनी, मेरा लीवर जो जरूरतमंद है उसके लिए डोनेट कर देंगे। नहीं तो फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाओगे, कोई फायदा नहीं तो फिर तुमको जला दिया जाएगा, पंचतत्व में विलीन हो जाएगा, कोई फायदा नहीं। कम से कम जाते जाते किसी का कल्याण करके जाओ। गॉड विल ब्लेस यू।